So what's up guys, good morning sa lahat. Ngayon tuturo ko na sa inyo ang ating daily combo ngayong July 2, 2024. So ayan, tatlong lang yan, cards. First cards is the YouTube gold button. Click nyo lang yan, then go ahead. Yan yung first card natin. Then the second card is yan, hamster YouTube channel. Go ahead, naka-join na tayo dyan. Kaya yun, second card. So the last card to get the daily combo is get 5 million. Final card is sports integration. Go ahead. This way. Then okay, we got the 5 million prize. Ano lang kadali, diba? We got 5 million. So sa mga wala pong laro, install nyo yung Telegram nyo, then click my link in my bio. Yun lang. Thank you.